The Bayraktar AKINCI TİHA is an advanced combat drone developed by Turkey's leading defense company, Baykar Makina. It is part of the Turkish military's efforts to modernize its unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, capabilities and strengthen its defense industry. The AKINCI has an impressive endurance, capable of staying aloft for up to 24 hours, making it suitable for long-duration surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat missions. It boasts a significant payload capacity, allowing it to carry a wide range of munitions, including guided missiles and smart bombs. The drone can operate at altitudes of up to 40,000 feet, approximately 12,000 meters, giving it a strategic advantage in both surveillance and combat roles. The AKINCI is a high-speed drone capable of reaching speeds of around 250 knots, approximately 460 kilometers per hour. It is equipped with advanced autonomous systems, including artificial intelligence, AI, for autonomous takeoff, landing, and mission execution. The AKINCI can carry a variety of payloads, including electro-optical and infrared, EO/IR, sensors, synthetic aperture radar, SRR, electronic warfare, EW systems, and more. It is designed for multiple mission profiles, including surveillance, reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, and combat operations. The drone is designed to be compatible with various munition types, enabling it to engage ground targets effectively. It has a considerable operational range, allowing it to cover vast areas for surveillance and combat missions. The Bayraktar AKINCI TİHA represents a significant step forward in Turkey's UAV capabilities. Its versatility, long endurance, and advanced features make it a valuable asset for military operations and intelligence gathering. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, it was in the testing and development phase, so there might have been further developments and deployments since then. For the most up-to-date information on the Bayraktar AKINCI TİHA, I recommend checking recent news articles, official government sources, or the Baykar Makina website for the latest developments and specifications.